we understand that Game of Thrones didn't, everybody wasn't so happy with the last episode of Game of Thrones, how it ended. But it doesn't take away how awesome of a series it was, how incredible it was. I loved it. I loved it so much, and I know there's plenty of other people out there who love it too. So, talking about inspiration, like there's a lot of things that you get inspired by in the world, and just watching those episodes, watching everything, I've been inspired for a long time to do something about it. So these are some white Converse that we're gonna turn to Game of Thrones sneakers. So check it out, and I hope that you appreciate it. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of work, but it was definitely a lot of fun to create them. Um, yeah, you watch, you give me your opinion. So as y'all can see, the drawing is laid down, and then here I went in there, already started really working on the image there. Added my blues, a little grays, and of course the black outline. This is not done, but it's very close to it. So what I'm gonna do on here, because I still have a few things I want to get at, I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and I'm gonna work on this one right here, getting the outline right, getting some of the blues in there. But yeah, then we'll get back up in here, add a few things. I like, I feel like it's coming along pretty good, but we're not done, so let's see. I finished lining everything up. Got some more blues going. We're gonna go back in with a little bit of whites, a few other things to get that rocking. Yeah, man, I'm feeling the progress. I was actually supposed to stop, and I kind of feel like I'm not going to. I feel like I'm gonna proceed because I'm just liking, the flow of everything right now. So, I don't know. Let's see, but I think it's going pretty good. Just added more black around the eyes. Added just a little bit more blue in there. Same here. Didn't get too crazy with it there, but definitely added some more blue. And like I said, we got more to do, but it's coming together, man. I'm feeling it. All right, y'all. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you're looking for any custom work, it is not limited to sneakers. I do all kind of different things. So if you want something done seriously, please email me. Let me know. The colors that I used here, I really like the way everything just meshed together. I couldn't, the thing about doing some of these sneakers is that sometimes not only do you have so much joy doing it, but the outcome, it makes you not want to give the person who ordered the sneaker. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this is definitely one of those pair of sneakers that I look at, and after I'm like, man, I don't want to give this to the person it's supposed to go to. Either way, I appreciate it. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please go check out my other videos and let me know what you think. All right. Comments are welcome and appreciated, man. Feel free to get in the comment section. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your night, and blessings to your family.